Test drive natin itong bagong Jeep Wrangler 4x4. Samahan niyo ako.
So guys, dito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Jeep Wrangler 4x4 Rubicon. So, ang engine niya guys is 2.0 liter turbo gasoline. Ang transmission naman niya is 8-speed automatic transmission. So we have the 12-inch Uconnect touchscreen equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay. So guys, try natin yung acceleration niya. Okay naman guys, maganda yung pick up ng ano niya. Brake din niya. Maganda rin naman yung pocket. So guys, okay naman yung